In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create paid Discord server. So first thing you wanna do, click add a server and create my own. Here you just wanna create a server. So let's just say game server and create. As you can see, this is my server I just created. After this, go to Google. So here you wanna go and type in launch pass like this. So once you're in this page, click on launch pass and down here connect Discord, and here you will simply connect your account to Discord, as you can see. So you want to put the server that you just created. I created this server, then click continue, then authorize. Let's verify this. Okay, looks like something is happening here. Yeah, so here you want to put in your fill in your information. So business name, game server, community. Let's say I'm a gaming community. I have a gaming community that unites passionate gamers. Yeah, I have a gaming community. So let's just run this through quickly. URL is not available. Looks like I'm gonna have to just add some numbers to make it available. Ready for liftoff. So here you're gonna just fill in your information. So as you can see, you wanna upload an image if you want, and URL. Let's just add some numbers, and offer name, level up hub, business. I'm just gonna leave everything here the same. You can change it if you want. So let's just go through this. Join a private server, connect community access, add features, and yeah. So this is where you will set up your options and settings, and after you just set up everything here, you can preview your sign up page. So let me just click here. Okay, I forgot to explain this part, so let me explain it. This is where you basically have the offer URL. So this is where people will go to buy your subscription or your whatever paid service you have. And here you can just name your offer, like if you're selling like a pass to something or an access or a mod thing, you can just name it here. So legendary pass, for example. And here is just the business name. Media is where you can just put up some media stuff. And down here, let me show you here where you can just put up a description for your server, and you can have this also in your Discord server as well. So here is the subscription. You can edit this, so if you want people to pay a monthly or a yearly, you can adjust this, like let's say 50. And free trial period is if you want to give people free trials. If you want no free trial, just click none. And as you can see, there's a yearly option, which is annual, and no yearly option, you can disable it. So here, welcome channel. Here is where you can just set up the welcome and the role. And over here you just don't have to like do anything much, but once you come to the end page, this is what your page will look like. So if someone wants to purchase and buy something, they will see exactly like this. So if you click publish over here, your page will basically publish. Your page has been published. So you can copy this link and put it inside of your Discord server, and whenever people just go to buy something, they will go and find this This is where they put their email, and this is where they purchase. And that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.